Chain slings. Objectives: provide information regarding chain sling use and chain sling inspection. General information. You can begin by choosing the correct rigging hardware using the rated capacity. A sling that has been well selected and is properly functioning will keep the load stable and secure during the course of the lift. However, using the wrong sling may lead to a load that sways, slips out of the sling, or causes the sling to snap or otherwise fail under stress. While a sling's rated capacity is essential in choosing the correct sling, other factors are also important, including the material composition of the sling, its size, design, and configuration are important, its condition, and each sling should have a tag that states the rated capacity and the date it was put into service and its length. Chain slings are commonly used because of their strength. Chain slings are able to adapt to the shape of the load. Chain slings are often the best choice for lifting materials that are very hot because these slings can be heated to temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. However, when alloy chain slings are consistently exposed to surface temperatures in excess of 600 degrees Fahrenheit, the working load limits must be lowered in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendation. Care should be taken, however, when using alloy chain slings because they are subject to damage by sudden shocks or jolts. Inspection. When inspecting a chain sling, it is important to inspect the total length of the sling, as any place may be the proverbial weak link in the chain. However, it is especially important to inspect the inside ends of each link, as these bear the weight of the load. You can see this part of the chain by pushing links together so that the inside surface becomes clearly visible. Wear may also occur on the outside of the links when the chain is dragged along abrasive surfaces or pulled out from under heavy loads. Check for excessive wear, nicks, and gouges and stretching. Links that are noticeably elongated or show cracking are always suspect. According to OSHA rules, a sling that is stretched so that it is now more than 3% longer than it was when it was new is unsafe and must be taken out of service. Finally, binding is another warning sign of a weakened sling. Binding is the term used to describe the condition that exists when a sling has become deformed to the extent that its individual links cannot move within each other freely. Also, when inspecting alloy steel chain slings, pay special attention to any stretching, cracks, elongated links, and nicks and gouges. These are all indications that the sling may be unsafe and should be removed from service. If defects are found, remove and tag the chain immediately. Report the issue to your supervisor. Quiz 1. Using the wrong sling may lead to a load that sways, slips out of the sling, or causes the sling to snap or otherwise fail under stress. A. True. B. False. 2. Care should be taken when using alloy chain slings because they are subject to damage by sudden shocks or jolts. A. True. B. False. 3. When inspecting a chain sling, it is important to inspect the total length of the sling. A. True. B. False. When inspecting a sling, check for excessive wear, nicks, and gouges and stretching. A. True. B. False. 5. If defects are found, it is okay to use the sling. A. True. B. False.